How many ounces of this metal could replace your annual salary? I'm going to start with 1,000 ounces of silver on your screen in the form of these 100-ounce bricks. Look, something crazy is happening to money right now, and it could hit you harder than you think. What if the cash in your paycheck suddenly became worthless overnight, and the only thing that had real value was this metal sitting in your closet? Imagine having to stack silver coins instead of checking your bank account for everyday bills. That sounds like sci-fi. Well, maybe not. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. I left a link down below. Click that link, be the next winner on that list, and take home that silver. What does a normal working guy make in this present day? According to data, for full-time workers ages 35 to 40, and yes, I'm adding another 100-ounce brick as I get to this magic number for you. The average working man, 35 to 44 years old, in the US, the median weekly earnings are about $1,300 a week, and that's roughly $70,000 a year. $70,000 a year. Keep that number in your mind. That's a decent working class / middle class level, enough to pay for a mortgage or rent, car expenses, maybe support a family, still get by. Now, for example, well, let's look at $70,000 a year. That's for someone in their 40s, college background, it's a normal job, right? This gives us a baseline. And at the same time, let's look at a spot price that's, for this argument, for this math, let's look at $50 spot price. Since when we have that $50 spot price, we're going to divide 70,000 by 50, and we're going to get 1,400. I'll show you 1,400. Here's 1,300. Here's 1,400 ounces of silver. That's what we need for our annual salary. 1,400 ounces. Each of these, it's about almost 7 pounds for each of these bricks, 100 ounces each. It's really dense. You definitely need a home safe if you're doing this. It's over 1,000 ounces of silver. So you do the math, you're looking at 70 to 80 pounds of this metal. Instead of paycheck in your bank, you'd be lugging around, what, in a suitcase? I don't know how you do it. 80 pounds of this metal, just to equate to that salary. So the upside is silver has blown past $50, clearly. So this savings, this annual savings that you have is just increasing, way more than any ridiculous online savings account that you could find. I mean, it's blown past it. It's a perfect inflation hedge. All of this that we know about silver is really in your hands. It's diversifying your wealth. You're not just putting everything into stocks, right? You're holding this tangible asset that just knocks everything else off the table when it comes to long-term wealth. Now, of course, the downside for this, right? You can't ignore the fluctuation in price. You can't ignore that silver can go from $80 an ounce back down to 50. It's a huge drop, maybe even lower than 50. I mean, you can't ignore that. It fluctuates a lot. So when you're dealing with this amount of this metal, it's a serious investment, but it really is the smartest savings account that I can think of. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 Silver Eagles, 20 Eagles every month. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver, and I'll see you on the next one.